Okay, folks, if you're building your own agents or your own harnesses, this video is for you because this week we're seeing three major signals that show exactly where agent infrastructure is heading towards. First news here is Alibaba Qwen. Very recently, they released Agent World. This is a dedicated language world model for simulation. And the second news is the Open Thoughts team. They open sourced a complete training recipe with over 100 ablations. And the third news is LangChain. So they basically built an engine that treats memory as a first-class systems layer, not context window stuffing, but actual asynchronous infrastructure. So in this video, we're going to break down what each of these news means if you are building or fine-tuning agents right now. So let's get right into it. All right, so first up, Qwen Agent World. Alibaba Qwen announced this as a native language world model, and the concept is straightforward but very powerful. So it works like this. Instead of throwing an agent into a live environment and letting it break things, you simulate the environment inside the model itself. And Agent World covers 7 environments: SWI, Terminal, Search, MCP, Web, OS, and Android, all running inside a single model architecture. They also open source 2 things: the Qwen Agent World 35B A3B model and the Agent World Bench. So the model is a 35 billion parameter mixture of experts with 3 billion active parameters and a 256,000 context window. And that context budget is crucial because you are effectively running an emulator inside the attention window. So Qwen is basically proposing 2 paths here: either build the world simulator itself or use that world modeling as agent pre-training. And the result here is that single turn environment prediction transfers to multi-turn agent tasks. As this follow-up highlights, the gains show up on both in-domain and out-of-domain benchmarks. That out-of-domain transfer is the big deal here. It suggests model is not just memorizing API patterns, it is learning transferable environment dynamics. So if you're a builder, this is a strong signal that pre-training on simulated rollouts might become the standard practice here, not just a research curiosity. It's the matrix now, folks. All right, so next is the training data layer. This is the open recipe a lot of us have been waiting for. So Open Thoughts Agent, this is what the team built. They basically built a 100,000 example training set and fine-tuned Qwen 332B to hit 44.8% average accuracy across 7 agentic benchmarks. But the headline is not just the score. They ran over 100 controlled ablations, and the findings change how we should think about agent training data. First and foremost, instruction choice matters disproportionately. The strongest benchmark teacher is not necessarily the best teacher for generalization. Second of all, longer execution traces help. And thirdly, source diversity beats over repetition at scale. So this is gold, okay? If you are curating datasets for your own agent harnesses, you hear it first from here on this channel, right? So we have, so far we have simulation and training covered. Now let's talk about the layer that has been the messiest for most builders, which is memory, right? So we V8 pushed ngram to general availability, and they're framing memory exactly right as asynchronous infrastructure. So it does not just dump everything into context, it extracts memories, deduplicates them, reconciles conflicts, and scopes what gets retrieved. So that is a database architecture, not just a prompt hack. Then Harrison Chase showed a Langsmith and Context Hub workflow for what he calls sleep time compute. So the idea here is your agent traces are analyzed offline, essentially while the agent is sleeping, and insights get written back as structured memory. And this decouples reflection from real-time inference, which is huge for latency and costs. Their AI pointed to a paper making the case even stronger. Agent memory should be evaluated as a full data management layer. So that includes storage, retrieval, update, consolidation, and lifecycle management. It's not just a black box where you judge it only by end task success. This is where agent differentiation is moving. The models are commoditizing fast, and the memory architecture is not. So, so the takeaway. So if you're a builder, right, the takeaway from this week, we're seeing Qwen, the agent world, gives us a signal that environment simulation is becoming a core pre-training objective. It's not just internet documents anymore. They're in the matrix. It's 7 environments, right? And the open thoughts agents gives us an open playbook for data curation and what actually moves the needle during fine-tuning. And memory, okay, is finally getting treated as infrastructure rather than an afterthought. So if you're running agents on your VPS, or even if you're building local harnesses, these 3 layers, which is simulation, training data, and persistent memory, are where you should be investing your time. So let me know in the comments which of these you are integrating first. If you find this video helpful, smash up the like button, subscribe to the channel. My name is Ron. Shana now.